Hey y'all, Ginger here. So these are all postcards that I keep in my office. I use postcards, and I've used them for years, to stay connected, to stay in communication. Communication is connectivity, connectivity is marketing, and marketing is connection. When we know who our audience is, when we know who we're speaking with, when we know how we want to impact their lives and serve, then we are connecting. I use these postcards all the time to reach out to people, to let them know I'm thinking about them, to say thank you, to express appreciation, find out what they're up to, and let them know they are in fact thought of. If you would like a set of these postcards, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, send me your direct mailing address. That's right, send it to me in a DM and I will send you a bunch of them. I'm happy to share them with you. If you can use that idea for yourself to stay better connected and get better connected, by all means, please use this idea today. When we connect, we change the world. And remember, it's always a great day to connect.